Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to use Canva to create awesome t-shirt designs using photos or royalty-free images. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified each time I release a new tutorial. There are tons of tools and methods available today that you could use to create your t-shirt designs. So in this video, you'll discover how to find photos and royalty-free images, remove backgrounds from objects in the images to create your designs, and export your designs with a transparent background so you can add them to the products in your online store. Royalty-free images are images with a copyright license where you have the right to use the picture without many restrictions. Once a license is obtained, you can use the image in several projects without having to purchase additional licenses. On Canva, you have access to tons of royalty-free images that you can use for your designs. They have a lot of free images to choose from, but to access the entire image library, you need to have a Canva Pro account. To try out Canva Pro free for 30 days, click the link in the video description below. Even if you choose to cancel, you can still create a lot of designs in 30 days. The same strategy I'll be demonstrating can also be used with photos that you take using your smartphone or digital camera. This is a great way for new or non-professional designers to get started with their t-shirt business. So now let's go through the process to create t-shirt designs using objects and photos or royalty-free images. From the Canva homepage, let's look at the top menu and click on Templates. From the drop-down menu, let's go to the Personal section and click on T-shirt. This will take you to a page where you can view tons of t-shirt design templates that are available on Canva. They have awesome templates that you can use for your design, but for this example, I'm gonna select the first option here to start with a blank t-shirt template. So here's where we can start creating our design. So let's say you took some great photos during Halloween and you want to use one of the objects in the photos in your t-shirt design. To do this, let's start by looking at the menu on the left hand side and click on the Uploads tab. Here's where you can view all the images that you've uploaded to Canva. To upload a new image, let's go up to the top here and click on the Upload Media button. You can then select to upload from your device, then find the image that you want to use. Once your image finishes uploading, you can then click it to add it to your template. There we go. So for my t-shirt design, I want to take the pumpkin out of this image to use for my t-shirt design. On Canva, there's actually a magic button that will do this for you. Make sure you have your image selected, then look at the top menu and click on the Effects tab. This should open up a tab where you can view various effects that you can add to your image. In order to cut out the pumpkin to use for my t-shirt design, I'm gonna select the option that says Background Remover. This magic button will automatically remove the background from the objects in your photo. This is one of the best tools you can have to create designs for your business, but in order to use the background remover, you're gonna need a Canva Pro account. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign up using the link in the video description to try it out free for 30 days. Once the background has been removed from your image, you can then rearrange or resize your image. There we go. Now I think I'll add some text to my design. I plan to add my design to a black or dark colored shirt. So before I continue, let's go up to the button up top here and change my background to black. This will give me a better idea of how my design will look on the actual t-shirt. So let's look at the menu on the left hand side and click on the Text tab. Here's where you can select to add a heading, a subheading, or select one of the pre-made text templates that are available on Canva. They do have some free templates available, but to access all the templates, you're gonna need a Canva Pro account. So for my design, I think I'll go with this text template here. Simply click on the template to add it to your design. Once the template has been added, I can then resize, rearrange, or use the toolbar up top to change the colors, fonts, and other elements. For my design, I'm gonna change the text to read, "Let's get lit." I'm also gonna make my text a bit smaller, and I'm also gonna use the rotation icon here to rotate my text a bit. Not bad. So as an example, let's also go over how to find and use royalty-free images for your design. To search for royalty-free images, let's look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on the Photos tab. Here you can search through thousands of royalty-free images that you can use for your design. To look for a specific design, simply use the search bar up top. For my design, I think I'm gonna add a candle. When I search for candle, you can see all sorts of royalty-free images come up that feature candles. There are some free images available, but to access the entire database, of course, you're gonna need a Canva Pro account. So for my design, I think I'll add this image here. Just like we did with my pumpkin photo, we need to remove the background from my candle. So let's click on Effects in the top menu, then click on Background Remover. We can wait for the button to perform its magic, and then voila! The background has been removed from my candle. I can now edit, resize, or rearrange the candle. I think the candle will look good right around here. And voila! I'm now ready to export my design. So let's look up at the top menu and click on the download button here. This should open up a drop-down menu where you can select your download settings. Under file type, make sure you have PNG selected. Since we plan to add this design to our products in our online store, it's important to resize the image and select to have a transparent background. For the size, I like my designs to be at least 3000 pixels. It's also important to select transparent background. If I don't select transparent background, the black box will also be downloaded with my design. Without a Canva Pro account, the size and transparent background options will be grayed out. So before you export your design, make sure you sign up with the link in the video description to get Canva Pro free for 30 days. So now that I've resized my image and added the transparent background option, let's click on Download. Your new t-shirt design will then be exported and downloaded to your computer. Now that my design has been downloaded, let's open it up and see how it looks. Not bad. I think this design will look great on my t-shirt. My design can now be added to Teespring, Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, or any other print-on-demand marketplace. So that's a quick overview of how to use Canva to create t-shirt designs using photos and royalty-free images. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.